my word, this thyme smells so good. What a treat to be able to cook with fresh herbs. I normally don't do this. This is awesome. Okay, and then I throw the veggies onto a pan with a little bit of salt, pepper, olive oil, and roast for 20 minutes until the tomatoes burst. Okay, garlic into the party. Season with salt and pepper. Done. This looks very Italian, even though it's Mediterranean. Mamma mia pizzeria. It smells so good already. I think, you know what I think? Do you care what I think? I think cooking like this is a learned skill. And I don't think enough people know how to do it. Just saying. I think maybe it's a little bit intimidating, but HelloFresh makes it nice and easy for you. You can't mess it up. All right, 1 cup of water and the stock. Do I add all of these? This kind of makes me feel a little fancy, separating these thyme leaves. I'm excited for my family to try this. I used to make really nice meals all the time, and then you know how it is, like you get busy and you just stick with your staples. You know, the easy things that you know are crowd pleasers and stuff like that. But this is just as easy. Like, it's literally taking me, like it says 10 minutes, but it's more like 15 with the learning curve. But still not much time, you know? What are your staple meals? You tell me, because I'm kind of in a rut. HelloFresh is helping me bust through. Well, that's enough time. That's enough of that. Okay, I had to take a quick detour to the party because I forgot to cut up the scallions. So now that I cut up the scallions, I'm gonna take a tablespoon of butter that I found in the way back of my fridge. Butter doesn't go bad, right? Holy crud, these are steaming. Okay, I'm gonna add the scallions. Add the couscous and the thyme. Give it a little toast. Ah! And then you cover it and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. I think the veggies are done. Oh, the tomatoes are bursting. It's so hot. Burning, 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 burning. Now that the couscous is done, I'm just going to add the vegetables. Now I'm just going to add some of the toppings, the slivered almonds, and the feta cheese. Oh, doesn't that just look so good? You know I'm gonna have to go in and do a taste test. I cannot wait for dinner. Oh my gosh. You guys, I would literally never even think to put feta cheese on like couscous and asparagus and thyme. Like, it's so simple, yet it tastes so delicious. I'm not gonna lie. While I was cooking, I was like, I don't know if this is gonna be a hit. You know what I don't know now? Is if there's going to be any left over before dinner time comes around. It might just go straight into my belly.